thing about me is like I'm an app hoarder. I have a lot of apps that I don't need and that kind of do the same thing.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Joy Christina. So today we're going to do what's on my iPhone video. So I have my phone right here. It is like a lavender color here. And I wanted to match. So I'm wearing purple today. But I'm going to show you what's on it and let's get right into this video. Okay. If you like these videos, please comment, like, and subscribe. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to screen record it. Okay. So for the most of my apps, I like organize them in rows except for the second page, which I kind of just put in little folders because I didn't have enough to like section them in rows. But so first row, social medias, and in the folder I have Snapchat,
which I don't really use as much anymore. Sometimes I talk to my friends, sometimes I don't.
I mainly use it for filters now, so I don't really use Snapchat. And I have Tumblr, which I don't use either that much, but sometimes I do. TikTok, I try not to get on there because I'm like always stuck watching videos, like, and in Insta stories.
So I'm like a huge fan girl, so I have like multiple fan accounts, and sometimes the people I really love, they post on their stories, and sometimes I want to save them. I don't use them much, but it does come in handy in case those times.
Yeah, same with repost. So, and I have Tinder. Yeah, I have a Tinder account because your girl gets lonely. I'm just kidding. I don't really use it much. Most times I'm on it when I'm like actually just super bored and have nothing else to do. I don't know. And then there's Facebook. I don't use that really at all. I just use it because
I think I use it for just Instagram for my business account Instagram thing, so I can see the analytics and everything. I have the Sean Access thing, which I don't use really, but when I use it when like he has a tour coming up or something, then I get updates and stuff because he likes to see live concerts.
So yeah, so you just schedule your posts, like your Twitter or your Instagram post, and then you can schedule it. Yeah, my wallpaper is here. I did not make this one. Let's get back to the point. So I have Twitter, and then like the apps I have outside are the ones I use the most. So I have Twitter out here and Instagram, which y'all should follow me. I'll put my social medias over here. And then We Hearted,
where I just save inspiration pictures for like Instagram, like sometimes my feed. I just save a lot of stuff.
So my next row is videos, and this is mainly for my like YouTube video stuff. So
I try to section off my photos and videos because mostly I use all this stuff for YouTube. But so my main three I use is YouTube, Fonto, and YouTube Studio, which
if you have a YouTube channel, you should get this because you can like schedule your videos or like comment and reply to people on there, and you can see your analytics on there. It's really handy, so I like that. And then inside the videos folder I have Video Shop, which is where I edit some of my videos. It's a really good app. And then Compress is just a video thing, compressor thing. And then I have 8mm, which is just like a filter app. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so I'm gonna try to focus on the camera.
But yeah, and then you could do like cool little filters. So yeah, I like it. It's cute. I use it for my other account mainly. Sometimes my covers if I feel like I look gross and I need a filter. But yeah, and then Capture, I believe is just one of my screen recording apps. I don't know, is it offloaded? But I still can screen record. I don't know. Anyway.
Then I have Prequel. I think I said that right. And again, it's just another filter type app.
I mean, I use it for the effects on here.
This one is like disco. Here's Bling. Here's a VHS one.
And then I have Film, which is also another filter app thing that I use for my other channel. I just use it because like the 8mm has like good choices of filters, but sometimes I need more filters because I feel like I use the same ones. So I try to switch it up sometimes.
And then I have PixArt. If you don't know what PixArt is, it's just an app where you edit your photos, you can add text, you can add stickers, you can do all this stuff on it, but I mainly use it for my thumbnails, and I like the filters on there. Some of them you have to have premium, but they have some great filters and effects that are like free. And Canva also, if you have a YouTube channel, or for Instagram too, but you can do a lot of stuff. I just found out this app like a month ago, and it's been amazing.
Okay, so Canva, you can use, like, I love it for YouTube and Instagram, because you can do your Instagram post, your Instagram stories on here, you can do Facebook, posters, invitations, you can edit videos, you can have photo collage. So you can do a lot of stuff, Twitter, YouTube. You can do like your cover art thingy on your channel, like your channel art, and then you can do your thumbnails, which I use sometimes. And you can just do so much stuff on here.
It's great, and have a lot of free templates. Like they have like a lot of options and a lot of free stuff. I thought it wouldn't when I got it, but there is a lot of free stuff on here, so I really like that. So the next app is Photo Timer. I just like it because you could take multiple at a time. That's why I got it, because otherwise I would just use my regular camera.
And then I have Photomate, which I just use to make those Instagram type of edits. I don't use it much though.
Yeah, and then that's all my video section, and then I have photos, which is mainly from my Instagram stuff. So I have Visco, which I feel like anyone don't know what Visco is at this point.
But you just add your filters to it, and you can add grain and all this stuff. Like, it's just a simple editing tool for your Instagram pictures.
Then story art is like the Canva thing, but like it just focuses on your Instagram stories. So I have that.
My Camera Connect is just for my camera, so I can like send my videos or pictures to my camera roll if I need to. I think I also could take pictures with it, but I don't do that.
Then I have highlights, which just is like a highlight cover thing. I don't use it much. You can like add like the covers to it and make it cute and aesthetic, pretty much.
Then I have the Fuji app, which is just for another filter for your photos. So then I have Afterlight, which is another editing thing for like filters. Then I have SnapBridge, which is another Connect camera thing.
Then I have Unum,
which is just like if you have Instagram and you want to like organize your feed, then you can see what post you have and see what you want to add. So it's really nice. Then I have Watermark, which from like my book covers, or really just my book covers. Because I want to have like a theme of my book covers, so it's nice to have something automatically there. I have like 2 of them. I think this one does videos as well, and the other one just does, I think, watermark white thing. Yeah, I think that one just does pictures. Anyway, so then I have Squarefit, which I just crop videos or pictures. Sometimes I had a watermark. That's what I used before, the watermark thing. And I have some filters that I like, so that's why I still technically have it. So yeah, then I have both of these tunes, because sometimes sometimes the tools like the whitening on here, sometimes I just like to it's like easier to like adjust it on here. So sometimes I use that one, and sometimes I use the like original one. Depends on the picture I'm editing.
Then I have Lightroom, which I don't use much, but again, just to adjust my pictures. Same with Airbrush and the Perfect 365. They're like the same thing basically, but they like do different things for me. So in Canva stories, like Canva, but just for the stories. So you don't really need the stories ones if you have Canva, but I got both when I found out about Canva. So I just wanted to see and like it, so I kept it. And then I have Mojo, which is another story editing app. So then I have Snapseed, where you can edit like certain things, like if you want to
lighten your picture, or like if you want to, or lighten a certain part of your picture, if you want to saturate it, you can do that, and then other stuff like crop it, all that type of stuff.
Then I have Photoshop Mix, which I just use for my book covers now, because sometimes I like to Photoshop my book covers. But yeah, if y'all ever want a video on me editing my Instagram pictures, just let me know. And then I have photos, camera, and documents, which I like save sometimes songs or YouTube videos on here. That's really nice. So I have that. I have a writing section, because again, as I said, I write fiction and non-fiction on Wattpad. So if you want my iPad, let me know.
And then I just have OneDrive and Files and Word, which I don't use much. I use it mainly when I have school, but since you have to pay for it, I don't really use it. Then Then I have books, Audible, and then I have fonts, which is just like a keyboard thing where you can have like cool fonts.
I have like two. I have the Cool Fonts Pro. The only reason I have like this one because like you have to, I thought it was more free options, but no, you have to like pay for a lot of options. So, but there's like characters that I like that the Cool Fonts doesn't have, so that's why I have both. Then there's Kindle, which I don't really use, and then Grammarly is where I edit my like stories and stuff. So I have the keyboard for it. Then I have Wattpad, and then I have Google Docs.
And I have notes, which are like lyrics, my like video ideas, I sometimes copy my stories in there for like an extra copy. I just have like a lot of stuff in notes.
And then I have a school folder, and this school folder is, that's Canvas, that's the first one.
Then I have Google Chrome and Safari. Then I have Zoom. I don't use Zoom really, but I'm assuming we might when school starts up. So then I have a VPN, which blocks stuff. And then I have weather. Then I have my app store in here. I just put it in here. It's not really for school, but I feel like it goes with all the blue. Anyway. And then I have calculator. Then I have shortcuts. And then I have calendar, my Gmail, and then my reminders. And then in my phone section, I just have contacts, FaceTime message, my settings, and my clock.
And down below, I have my music, my Apple Music, and my Spotify. And then I have like my color thing down here, but that's just because I wanted 3 down there because it looked weird. Then on the second page, I sectioned it just into folders. So first folder is bank stuff.
So I have Cash App, Venmo, which I don't really use. I use PayPal. Then I have my 2 bank cards, and then I have a wallet. Then I have my shopping section, and I have Romley and Shein, which are kind of like very similar. It's just a clothing store that sells cheap stuff. Then I have Hush, which you can buy like, I haven't used in a minute, but you can buy
makeup and face products and skincare and stuff. Pretty cheap. Then a Redbubble, which I have one. I make some art on there for some extra cash as well. So I'll link probably my Redbubble below. And I design stuff. So if you want videos on how I design things or what Redbubble is in detail, let me know.
Then I have DoorDash, which is just a food app where you just order food, take out and stuff. Then I have a Target app. Then I have Deal Finder, which is like a dirt cheap thrift store thing. So you just use it when you go in there. So yeah.
Then I have movies, which I have Netflix, Tubi, and Hulu.
And then I have health folder, which just has a health 0, if that's a fasting tracking app. So it just tracks your hours of fasting, because sometimes I do fast, so that's what I use it for. Then Lose It is just a calorie tracker app.
Then I have my games folder, which I don't play much games, but when I'm like really bored or have nothing else to do, I have games. I feel like I need more games though, because I'm kind of tired of some of these games. So if y'all have any fun app games, let me know in the comments below. So I have Teeny Castle.
It's just a quick thing you can do quest on. Then I have Word Cookie, and it's like a crossword type thing. Then Block Games is the same, but just add blocks and stuff. It's like Tetris, I guess.
Then Cookie Run, which is like I think the best game out of them I have. It's just really fun. You could just like do obstacles and run around with these little character cookies. If it was like downloaded, I would show you guys, but like.
Then I have a concert folder, which I have Lyft, Uber, Ticketmaster in here, and then I have a countdown if I want to count down my apps. But yeah, this is just for my concert. Then I have my music thing, because that's the best thing I can think of to name it. But so I'm trying to learn piano, guitar, and ukulele. So I have the tuning thing for ukulele, and I have a tuning thing for guitar.
Then I have Chordify, which you can put like a YouTube video in and like learn a song and like play along with it, and it gives you the chords, so that's really nice. Then I have voice memos, where I just record like little ideas and melodies and stuff in my head when I want to write a song. Then I have like my don't use, which are apps that I don't use but I don't seem to be deleting right now.
I have a compass, I have a Find My iPhone, I have the iTunes Store app, I have this MP3 converter, and I have Bitmoji and 2Live, which is just like for live wallpapers, like if you want to make a GIF into a live wallpaper. And then I have a Tumblr grab, which I used to save some Tumblr videos because I didn't know anything else at the time. Then I have Curious Cat, which you just ask questions on. So, but I don't use that much either.
And I believe that is all my apps. So if you like videos like this, please comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!